Are you bored, unmotivated, feels like you're being unproductive? Well, I got a solution for that. Let me introduce to you some fun and mind-challenging math games that you can find and install in your app stores. Math is so broad and versatile, and we have to admit that sometimes it's confusing and difficult to understand. But what's fascinating is that math can also be fun. Math is everywhere. You can create and solve a lot of puzzles, equations, and logics that can exercise your brain while also having fun. Without further ado, here are some fun recreational math games that you can download in your mobile devices. The name of the game is 2048. This is the rule of the game. Swiping up, down, left, or right moves tiles in the direction swipe. Tiles with the same number will merge. All other tiles will move across any open space on the board. A new tile will be added to the board with each swipe. New tiles will be numbered 2 or 4. The challenge continues as you reach even higher numbered tiles. The game ends when the board fills up and you can't make any more moves. Reach the 2048 tile to win the game. The name of the next game is Hashi. This is the rule of the game. In this game, you have to connect island with bridges. Bridges can be built horizontally or vertically, but they cannot cross. At most, there can be 2 bridges to the same direction. You build bridges by touching an island and swipe the finger to the island you want it to be connected to. It's not necessary to swipe all the way to the second island. When you see the indicator, you can release your finger. To build a second bridge, repeat the process. To delete a bridge, you swipe again or simply click on it. The goal of the game is to connect all islands with as much bridges as the number on the island shows. Bridges is built for an island. The island turns green. But this does not necessarily mean you build the bridges to connect neighbors. If you build too many bridges, the island turns red. for colorblind people, green islands have one diagonal line through it. Game is won when all islands are green, but all islands must be connected directly or indirectly to each other. So, the above situation is no valid solution, even though all islands are green, because there are two separated island groups. The name of the next game is called Toto Shiki. This is the rule of the game. The game is very similar to the game Sudoku but has a difference. On the playing field, in addition to numbers, there may also be signs, less and greater than signs. The sign between two cells means that one number is greater than the other. The numbers in each line should not be repeated. The numbers in each column should not be repeated. If there are signs on the field, then the condition must be met. This next game is called Hex Puzzle. This is the rule of the game. In this game, you have to place the available pieces on the grid. Pieces might only be placed on empty cells. Whenever a line is full, it is removed from the field. There are 3 directions that allow the removal of lines. Multiple lines in multiple directions may be removed at once. When all pieces are placed on the field, new ones are generated. The game is over when there are no more options left to place the available pieces. You earn points by placing pieces. Bigger pieces give you more points. The last game on the list is Sudoku. This is the rule of the game. Each row must contain the numbers from 1 to 9 without repetitions. Each column must contain the numbers from 1 to 9 without repetitions. The digits can only occur once per block. The sum of every single row, column, and nonet must equal 45. That's it for the video. I hope you guys would try these fun and recreational math games. Keep safe and thank you for watching.